Hi everyone, and welcome to this channel. So in today's video I'll be showing us how to cancel uh, premium subscription on X, also known as previously known as Twitter. So click on premium, and when you click on premium you want to locate the right hand side when we have manage. So you click on manage. So click on manage. You want to locate manage your current subscription. So when you click on manage your subscription, you want to click on the third option that says cancel subscription and click on next. And then you want to click on the red button continue to cancel. So you click on continue to cancel, and it's going to load. As you can see, I currently have an active premium subscription which I want to cancel, and it gave me a lot of time locating it, but I found out. So the next thing you want to do is to click on the cancel subscription on top. So you click on that button that says cancel subscription and says are you ready, canceling, as you can see, and we are done, and my subscription has been cancelled. I hope you found this video helpful. If you like, subscribe, and like and share this video to your friends. See you again in the next one. Bye.